Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Tops the Monkey. And we are so excited to be here. We are now on story number 3, and I hope you're keeping up with us. Hope you're learning to read. Reading is wonderful. Once when you learn to read and are successful at it, you can read so many different things. Reading will take you places. Yes. All right, so let's get started. Let's go ahead and build our words. All right, so we are still working on the short vowel A sound. And as I have mentioned before, the sound for the A, here's an uppercase A and a lowercase a, and we have a picture of an apple. Apple. If you have a number line strip with pictures on it, this helps you to remember sounds, not just the A, of course, but the letters of the alphabet. Let me show you this one again. This is just part of it. But you can see that you have a B, okay, and this represents balloon. So the B sound is balloon. C, k for cat, and D, for dog, and E, for elephant, right over here, elephant. And then the F for fork. So if you have a alphabet strip with pictures on it, it will help you to remember the sounds. And if you have it posted somewhere, whether it's in your classroom and your teacher is using this video, you can look for it if you have one. If you're learning it from home, hopefully you have a alphabet strip posted, because this will help you to remember your sounds when you happen to forget. And sometimes you do forget. If you look up there, look at it, and you go, oh, yeah, okay, that's what that sound is. Okay, and it helps you to become a better reader. Yes. Okay, let's go back to what we were doing. These are our letters. And these are the letters that we're going to be using for this lesson. So we have the letter A, lowercase a, lowercase c, k, lowercase d, well, uppercase D, I'm sorry, uppercase D, lowercase f, uppercase N, lowercase n, lowercase p, lowercase t, t. All right, let's make some words and some names. Let's get started. Here we go. Let's go ahead and start with A and N. Okay, right over here. A and N. We put A and N together, and we get Ann. Ann. And of course you can say this with me. You can say the sounds with me. You should be saying the sounds with me, the words, the names, and so forth. Say them with me, okay, if you want to. All right, so let's do this again. Ann. All right, so with Ann, we're going to create a name. We're going to use the uppercase D. We're going to put D in front of Ann. And what do we get? We get a name here. The name is Dan. Dan. All right, let's make another word or name. We're going to use the uppercase N, and we're going to use it with Ann. And we're going to make another name, and the name is Nan. Nan. All right, let's use Ann again. This time we're going to add a P in front of it. We're going to use a lowercase p. And the sound for the P is P. Ann. This is pan. Pan. All right, we have if we take the letters pan, look at the letters, and let's just say that we switch the N with the P, it's going to look like this. Same letters, just in a different order. A and P together make app. App. We put an N in front of it, we get the word nap. Nap. Now let's make another word. We're going to take AP, app, and we're going to put it towards the top. Here we have app. Have it right here. We're going to add in front of it the letter T. And T makes the sound of T. So we already know this is app. Add the T. Tap. Tap. Now let's take a look at the letters in tap, and let's switch the P with the T, and we get a different word. So now, again, we know what AT is. Well, we don't have it on here, but we did have it in our previous lesson. AT is at. Let's add the P, and we get the word pat. Pat. Let's remove the P, and we're going to use a lowercase c, and we have k, at, cat. And let's replace the C with an F. So we still have the AT, but we added the F. F makes the sound of f. And this word is fat. All right, let's go back and let's say these words that we made together. And let's say the words. We have Anne. Let's see if I can get a better view for this. Anne. Let's try this again. Anne, Dan, Nan, Pan, Nap. All right. Tap, Pat, Cat, Fat. Okay, boys and girls, come back for lesson 2 for story number 3. All right, story number 3, lesson 2. All right, see you then. Tops and I say bye.